So if the spider likes the Gary, you'll take it for $630? What up, guys? We are pulling up on the homie Aram, and we're gonna sell him a first edition shadowless Gyarados, but we might try and trade him for a Tarantula instead. So stay tuned. What's up, man? What's up, dude? Go look at some tarantulas.
What's up, Charles?
Thanks for having me. Thanks for having me.
Welcome to the facility.
Thank you.
This is the Urban Tarantula's lair.
Okay, heck yeah.
This is where we breed tarantulas, where we sell tarantulas as well. And this is your first time in tarantula breeding house.
Yes, and I know we said $630 cash, but
wait, like $630 cash for what?
For the Gary.
Oh shit, we're doing some trading today. That's right.
We're doing a deal now. I brought the first edition Gyarados. We agreed on it is shadowless base set Gyarados. Right. Now we agreed on $630 for the card, but I'm open to the idea of maybe trading for a Tarantula, checking a few out.
Let me see if this is original.
Yeah, check it out.
Let me see if this is legit.
And there's only 11 of those that exist.
You don't have any PSAs, man?
I brought a few PSAs and some other stuff, but we can look at it after.
Let's see what we do.
Okay, okay.
So I have an idea for his first tarantula. We're gonna take out the nicest, most kindest tarantula that is known to existence. This thing right here, it says OBT. I'm not sure what it stands for. So this tarantula, very orange and beautiful. Let's see what she's up to.
Yeah, give it a good look. Oh, whoa, okay. Okay. Okay, yeah, not holding that one.
Not for a first time.
Not holding that one.
No.
Woo! Oh
How
my
about
god.
An actual tarantula that is not defensive.
I don't know, man. I don't know, man. That one looks
tarantula that is not defensive. There's so many tarantulas that are not defensive. They are sweethearts.
Woo!
It's a Carabiner versicolor.
Oh my gosh. Ooh, where do these originate at? Where are these from?
This is the Carabiner versicolor, the Antilles Pinto. They are from the Caribbean. Want to handle it?
Man, I'm considering it.
I think you're gonna have to handle it.
Does this one bite?
I mean, all animals can potentially bite.
You have a glove I could put on?
But the chances of you getting bit by this tarantula are slim to none. But this tarantula right here, she's still in the threat posture.
Oh, she's ready to go.
Yeah, you could high five her, but you're probably gonna be attacked.
Woo!
Put your hand out.
Okay.
Put your hand out.
Okay.
And you did mention that you are afraid of tarantulas.
I'm very afraid of spiders.
All spiders, not just tarantulas.
Now, can the fighter sense my fear?
Yes, he can. Stick your hand out.
Like flat?
Yeah.
Okay.
There you go. That's it, bro. You did it.
Oh my gosh. Oh wow.
That's it.
Oh, he's
That's
cool.
all it takes.
Oh, he's cool. Okay. This is like a real life Pokemon.
There we go.
So tell us though, what does one like this cost actually?
It really depends, but something like this, I'm not actually gonna trade her. Probably like $800.
$800.
Or we could, for a price tag, we could put like $700.
Okay,
like
$700 spider. Okay.
$700 for a spider at this size, this sex. This girl, her baby's about this big. This is not even a very tiny baby. This is about, I don't know, 6 months old or so. So something like this goes for like $75 at this size.
And that's a baby version of this.
This is a baby version of this. Yes, they do go through a color change.
Wow, beautiful. So are they less expensive because then you have to raise them to get to?
Yeah,
like,
this is about a
which is tougher.
6-year-old specimen, 5-6-year-old specimen, and it's a
this
female.
One.
Yeah.
And how long do they live for?
About 12 to 15 years or so. Now a male at this size costs about 150 to 200.
And why is that? Because
males don't live very long.
Got it.
Males have a very short lifespan. As soon as they become sexually mature, they only have months to live. And then they just die from natural causes.
And so the men are just like for one purpose, and that's just extending the species, basically.
And if you want to see a very expensive tarantula,
yes.
So this is an arboreal trapdoor tarantula. It made this trapdoor right here by itself, with no help. We drilled a hole inside the cork bark, and then it makes the trapdoor, and it lives in there. It's an arboreal trapdoor tarantula. And something like this, at this size, is about $3,000.
Wow. So I'd have to give you the Umbreon for that one.
Probably, yeah.
Okay. And is that full grown right there? Oh my gosh.
They get a little bit bigger, but these are my breeding females.
She's fast.
Yeah, but something like this, about $3K or so. And I think I might be the only one that are selling. I might be the only one that has these available, even at that price, on in the country. These are the
Sheesh.
most sought after tarantulas currently. The Brazilian jewel.
Beautiful spider.
There's a lot of tarantulas out there, man. Like so many.
So the one you showed us was like the most popular. This is a pretty one too. What's your most common seller?
Common seller is probably gonna be like babies of her or the Brazilian jewel babies. Babies of those, they're like $500, $600
Dang.
for the babies.
What got you into this originally?
I was a hobby, it became an obsession, and then
Like Pokemon?
yeah, pretty much. And then I started spending way too much money on spiders, so I had to figure out a way to make money. So I started breeding and selling.
Did you have like a mentor that like kind of put you on how to like the environments they need and stuff?
No, you don't need a mentor for that.
Kind of
Just
figured
need
it out.
YouTube.
Super cool, man. Thanks for showing us. Dude, honestly, could he hold her?
Yeah, you don't hold?
Dude, come on. Let me get you. It actually was less scary than I thought it would be when you finally hold her.
It's not that big of a
Dude, you can kind of see her little face, man. She's cool.
And even if it bites you, you're not gonna have to go to the hospital or anything like that.
Not venomous.
They're venomous.
That's pretty
All
cool.
tarantulas are venomous. But
Oh,
they
you
don't
might
have
need your
enough-
hand.
They don't have the type of venom that could kill
It's
a
actually
person.
pretty cool.
Right?
There's never been a recorded death from a tarantula bite.
Whoa.
This
Jeez.
is insane. I kind of want to get
On your
on my phone real
iPhone?
quick.
That's so cool. Wow. And how long will she live, you said?
Probably like 10 to 15 years or so.
Oh, dang. So you kind of get to know these spiders, huh? They stick around.
Mhm.
Chuck, what are we doing?
We are, this is where Pokemon takes you, man. It takes you new places. You meet new people. You get
That's
to do
right.
cool stuff. You can see her eyes. That's so wild. Dude, you are dope.
I know the color is so cool in there.
Dude, it's cool. It's kind of like conquering my fear of spiders right now.
Right.
And thanks for having us over, dude. Thanks for letting us film. Appreciate you, dude. Hell yeah. And if anyone ever needs spiders, I'll hit you up, man.
Have you ever interacted with tarantulas?
No, dude. I'm pretty scared of spiders, actually. Even just being in here is like, it's crazy for me right now. What do you mean attack me?
Ow.
What? Wait, I'm not trying to get bit by him, though.
It's okay. You're not gonna have to go to the hospital.
No. I don't want to get bit at all.
I promise you. Just trust me. You trust me?
Man, I don't know. Not if it's going to bite me. Not if it's going to bite me.
We've done some business, so you can trust me.